Everyone, for this week's video I'm going to show you how to do the order of operations. I'm going to show you how to do all the simple, easy steps, but to do that we'll start with something even easier. Here's the order of operations, so you need to do it in a specific order or else you're going to do it wrong. So the first thing is brackets. We always do that first, but if it's not in there, we do expoints, and then division or multiplication. If division isn't in there, we do multiplication, and that goes the same for addition and subtraction. So now we're going to go over to our question, and now that we just learned the order, we're going to start with the first bracket. So that's going to be 6 plus 2. And since 6 plus 2 equals 8, we're going to write that down, but all over again. So 6 plus 9 times 8, and that will equal 72. So we're going to write that down all over again, 6 plus 72, and that equals 78. And there you go. Hope this was very useful to you guys. See you next time.